dealt very seriously. Government is very, very serious and very concerned about this. While pharma sector is a pride of Vizag, it cannot be a source of continuous embarrassment for the government, and Mari Mukyanga, it cannot instill fear in the minds of people. So people should happily welcome the industry. That should be the win-win situation. We had 2-3 incidents, and a lot of civil society organizations are questioning. They are approaching me, they are calling me, they are writing emails to me. So beyond a point, it becomes difficult for the government also. So, Prati Okkallu Kuda, please review all your procedures, especially where you are employing highly inflammable material. That could be alcohol based or any solvent based, which is highly inflammable, and where human beings are operating. Leda meer machine based automation undi, control system undante, please review its functioning. Is it functioning to the optimal levels or not? Pade uste matram, next time, you have seen what happened in LG Polymers. Report ochina one hour ki CP gar, he has acted very swiftly. Just 1 hour. The report was launched in Vijayawada, and by evening everything was closed. Because we cannot play with the lives of people. And please focus on your safety procedures. First of all, please focus on your core procedures. My core manufacture line, my supply lines lo anni perfect ga unnaya leda. Is there scope for improvement unte, please shut down your industry, improve it and restart it. అంతేగాని మళ్ళీ చేద్దాం, తర్వాత చేద్దాం, ఒక నెల తర్వాత చేద్దాం అని పెట్టుకుని ఈ లోపల ఇన్సిడెంట్ అడిగితే మాత్రం జరిగితే యూ విల్ బి హెల్డ్ సోల్లీ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ దాట్. ప్రతి ప్రొసీజర్, అది సిస్టమిక్ కావచ్చు, హ్యూమన్ రిలేటెడ్ కావచ్చు, ఎవ్రీథింగ్, ప్రొటెక్టివ్ మెజర్స్, ప్రొటెక్టివ్ గేర్, ఆక్సిజన్ మాస్క్స్ అన్నీ ఉన్నాయా లేదా? ఇన్ ద ఈవెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ గ్యాషియస్ వేపర్ లీక్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఇమీడియట్ ప్రోటోకాల్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద హజార్డ్ analysis? What is the hazard assessment, risk assessment? Each and every aspect, please critically review in the next 10 days. We will have a second meeting in the second week of August, by which time each and every industry will have to have a neat printed safety manual in their factory. Shutting down, and please be very clear about it. Because back-to-back incidents paint a very bleak picture about the district and about the pharma sector in Vizag itself. Follow the procedures, follow the safety precautions, continue with your operations. There is no problem from anybody. So my request is especially to the members of the pharma industry. You are operating in a very risky environment. Everybody understands that. Pharma itself involves a lot of hazardous chemicals, inflammable materials, poisonous gases, but you have to find a way out. There are protocols, there are standard operating procedures. Anni మీ దగ్గర experts ఉన్నారు, లేకపోతే please hire a fire safety expert or a safety expert in general. Take his guidance, take his counsel, institutionalize చేయండి ఆ procedures. Be a better industry in terms of safety. We assure complete cooperation from our side, but human negligence or systemic negligence leading to loss of lives will be leading to disastrous consequences. అది కొంచెం మీ అందరూ కూడా ఒకసారి మంత్రి గారు, ప్రజాప్రతినిధులు అందరి సమక్షంలో we wanted to give you a kind of reminder to look back at your procedures and processes. Are they fully up to the standards? Is there anything else that can be done to improve the system and to prevent these accidents అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు చేయాలి. Not only మీ history of accidents, మీ immediate neighborhood, but also at the state level and national level. Similar procedures, similar drugs కానీ, bulk drugs కానీ, similar products manufacture చేసే ఇండస్ట్రీస్లో ఇంకెక్కడైనా జరిగిన డిజాస్టర్స్ కూడా రివ్యూ చేయండి. ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ జరిగింది రేపు ఇక్కడ కూడా జరగచ్చు. Every material, bulk, lot of material is available on the internet. Please download all these accidents, అవి ఎలా జరిగినాయి, వాటి మీద వచ్చినటువంటి ఎంక్వైరీ రిపోర్ట్స్, ప్లీజ్ గో త్రూ దెమ్. You operate with steam, you operate with vacuum, you operate with solvents. Avannee kuda chala they can lead to a potential disaster. So I therefore request you to have a thorough look at all your systems and procedures. Once again, we are giving you another 10 days time. In the meantime, we will also complete our safety drive. Our officers also will be giving me detailed feedback. We don't mind having a third party check also. We can entrust this to IIT Tirupati or maybe IIT Bombay. They are willing to do that. So if I am not satisfied with the safety drive of the officers, I will go for a third party professional agency on payment basis. So they will bring out everything threadbare. So please do it on a honest basis, not as an eyewash exercise. So with this, I thank the Honorable Minister for organizing this meeting, for calling for this meeting today, and request all of you to reflect upon what all we have discussed today. Thank you.